Smarty Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Smarty are in the description. Now, let's get straight to the review. Smarty is a SIM-only mobile network running on 3's infrastructure, offering flexible, no-contract plans with competitive pricing. It's designed for those who want affordability, simplicity, and data rollover benefits. One of its biggest advantages is that unused data gets converted into a discount on the next month's bill, perfect for light users who don't want to overpay. Smarty also provides unlimited data plans for heavy users, making it suitable for both casual and power users. Coverage is strong in urban areas, but rural reception may vary depending on 3's network availability. Speeds are generally decent, but during peak times, you may notice some slowdowns due to network congestion. Smarty operates entirely online, no physical stores, which keeps costs low, but also means customer support is handled through live chat and email. The service is reliable, with no hidden fees or unexpected charges, and tethering is allowed on all plans without restrictions. International roaming is available in the EU at no extra cost, but outside Europe, rates can be expensive. Smarty is ideal for budget-conscious users, students, and anyone who needs a simple, no-fuss mobile plan without being tied to a contract. However, if you rely on customer service over the phone or need premium features like 5G priority access, other providers might be a better fit. Overall, Smarty delivers excellent value with straightforward pricing and flexible plans. If you're looking for a hassle-free SIM-only provider, Smarty is definitely worth considering.